What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Palm Beach area? We ask you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in Palm Beach.
What is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery? And that was Island Style Bakery. Congratulations to you. Then we asked, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? Food Town Supermarket. I agree with that, because when I go to Palm Beach, that's where I can get some real Caribbean food. So shout out to you there. And then we asked, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? The Dumpling Restaurant, aka Dumpling Shop. And then we asked the best Jamaican / Caribbean event you attended this year, the West Palm Beach Jerk and Caribbean Culture Festival. Congratulations to all our winners in West Palm.
All right.